Welcome to Planet Golf's review of Callaway's Sub-Zero Epic Flash Driver. And I tested this down in Kent. It was quite windy and quite cold, which turned out to be great conditions actually to test this, because the big news is for the technology, and is Callaway have used this new supercomputer with artificial intelligence to build this new face. And basically what they've got is, normally when you're testing a club and you're coming up with a new design, you come up with a design and then you'll test it and then you'll refine it, and those refinements, they normally go between like 8 and 10 refinements each time. This new supercomputer is refined this face 15,000 times, and you're going to see a lot of artificial intelligence design coming into golf technology now, and it will make a great difference. And that's why I was saying I quite like the fact that I tested this down in really windy conditions, because the face is fantastic. I mean, the design of a face, if you take that off, basically it's smooth inside normally, where inside this, it's sort of rumpled. There's lots of like micro movement in there, and basically that's what the artificial intelligence has come up with. So basically, no matter where you hit it across the face, you're getting a real fantastic ball speed off the face. And I must admit, in the wind it was great. I mean, it really bored through the wind, and that's why I like the Sub-Zero version. What they've got, on the bottom here, you've got your track, which you can move to a draw or fade bias or anywhere in between, but they split the weight here and put this weight, you can see this weight lower at the front here, and that's to give you a less spin on the ball, a lower spinning ball flight. And with that one, you get that really boring type of shot, a really great trajectory. But what it also helps with is, I mean, for those guys who are suffering with a fade, you get a ball going out 30 yards to the right, or if you've got a hook and it goes 30 yards to the left, the less spin on the ball, it's not going to stop you, because that's obviously to do with your swing path. You need to see your pro that, to sort that out. But instead of it going 30 yards, it'll be going 15 to 20 yards each way, because there's less spin on the ball. And again, with less spin on the ball, there's less backspin on the ball, so then it gives you the more penetrating ball flight and more distance. And I didn't get on with the original Epic. I mean, I must admit, I didn't like it at all. I loved the Road Driver that I tested last year, and they've kept that jailbreak technology. And the jailbreak technology, basically, these two bars that hold the crown and the sole together, give it more stability, again forgiveness. And they've got this new triaxial material at the top there that they've used for the crown, again saving weight, which is again distributed, and that helps with forgiveness when you can distribute weight around the perimeter. One of the big things that I would say is when this first came in, I took it over to the range first. Didn't really get on with it. I was in it okay, but nothing. And I was testing it with the Project X Hazardous. I tested the Road Driver with the Project X Even Flow shaft. Put the even flow shaft into this, which is one of the options. There's several shaft options that you can get with this. And loved it straight away. I loved it, and that's how important it is to get the correct shaft in your club. I'm at Mick Taylor's studio down at Shirley Park now in South London, recording this, and that's what you need to do. No matter what driver it is, get your whatever you're buying a new driver, get you pick of 4 or 5 drivers, get them down there, get them tested, make sure you get the different shaft options tested, and then get the right club for you. It is really that important getting fitted for drivers now, especially when you're paying that kind of money. Is the 500 quid worth it? I loved it. To be fair, I really loved playing this driver, as I said, especially when I got the even flow shaft in it. The ball flight, penetrating, real great sound at impact, plenty of distance. And I said, I can't wait to get this out in the summer, but love the club. So definitely get it on your testing list. Good luck. Bye for now.